Hey guys, moi Savannah, Georgia. Savannah, Georgia. Okay. Belle petite ville. Mais tu étais avec moi dans cette vidéo, ça me va le montrer mon bagage. Tu étais avec moi. Je vais le montrer un bel bagage. Je vais le montrer un bagage qui est fort content. Je vais le montrer d'ailleurs vini et Savannah. Depuis que je viens, c'est lui qui m'a cherché. C'est me connaît un gros bagage. Je vais le montrer dans la vidéo mieux. Et nous commençons well. Je vais montrer un bagage. Je vais montrer que j'aime son grand peuple. Regardez l'autre bois. Voilà, regardez la photo ça. Ou nèg ça là campé avec madame ni bien ménage li qui a fait photo. Et ceci c'est comme ça le fait chaque jour. Et nous gagnons plusieurs monde pour nous remercier pour ça. Mais grand monde ça pour nous remercier les Daniel Fils-Aimé. Ça son statut qui gagne dans Savannah, Georgia. Les chasseurs de Saint-Domingue. Hello guys. Do you guys know something about this statue? I'm not filming you, that's okay. Please read. Yeah, read all of those here. Because this is me.
This is you?
Yes. This is what Haiti helped America accomplish. And I'm Haitian. Please read.
Where is it? Start right here?
Start here, yes.
Okay. The drummer represents young Henry Christophe, who participated in the October 9th, 1779 Battle of Savannah. Christophe later became a leader in the struggle for Haitian independence from French colonial rule, ending in 1804. A commander of the Haitian army, he became King of Haiti, being among the first heads of state of African descent in the Western Hemisphere.
Let's go here. I came here yesterday to see it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
The largest unit of soldiers of African descent who fought in the American Revolution was the brave
Les chasseurs volontaires de Saint-Domingue.
Thank you. This regiment consisted of free men who volunteered for a campaign to capture Savannah from the British in 1779. Their sacrifice reminds us that men of African descent were also present on many other battlefields during the Revolution.
Let's go, let's go.
A project of the Haitian American Historical Society, 2001 to 2007, Board of Directors.
Oh, let's move. Yeah, that's a lot of names. Let's move here.
In its fourth year, after the American Revolution had become an international conflict, rebelling American colonies and their French allies attempted to capture Savannah from the British in 1779. Haitian soldiers of African descent were part of the Allied forces. Following the battle, many of these Haitians were diverted to other military duties, returning to their homes years later, if at all. Several veterans of the campaign became leaders of the movement that made Haiti the second nation in the Western Hemisphere to throw off the yoke of European colonialism.
Let's go, let's go.
Although hundreds of other chasseurs volontaires remain anonymous today, a number of them are documented and listed below. We honor all of their collective sacrifices, known and unknown.
That's some of the names that history we collected.
And acknowledging the deeds of Les Chasseurs Volontaires de Saint-Domingue. At Savannah, American Secretary of State Cordell Hull dedicated a commemorative plaque on April 25th, 1944 at the Cathedral in St. Mark, Haiti, with these words.
Go ahead, down there. Can read.
Today we pay tribute to the courage and spirit of those Haitian volunteers who in 1779 risked their lives for the cause of American liberty.
And lastly,
in the Battle of Savannah on October 9, 1779, Les Chasseurs Volontaires de Saint-Domingue, our forefathers fought alongside the American Army of General Benjamin Lincoln, distinguishing themselves by their bravery. As part of the reserve, they provided cover during the retreat of American and French allies, saving many lives by deterring a fierce counterattack of defending British troops.
Then there you have it.
Very nice.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. The Chasseur de Saint-Domingue. And here's the beauty. It's smack right in the middle of Savannah, Georgia. Thank you, Mr. Daniel Fizeme. Thank you, Dr. Woody Moïse. Merci à tout membre board Haitian Historical Society. And I bet you I will be a member now.